Hello again on this tutorial about LibreOffice. LibreOffice step by step. This is version 6.25, recently launched version. Today we want to learn how to calculate across table in LibreOffice Writer. In spite LibreOffice Writer is for text writing, in this tutorial we will see how to automatically calculate some numbers. So let's see. We have in a table animals like dogs, cats, and we want to know the number of animals. So we have 300 dogs and 100 cats. We want a total of these animals. So we have we don't want yet to calculate this. We want to finish with our tables. Let's go ahead. Another table with plants, for example. Let's copy this table and replace. We have trees, and then we have flowers, and we have another numbers here. We have 5 trees and 10 flowers. We don't make the total yet. And the last table, we want to summarize everything we made until now. We want to know some categories. We format this table, and we want to know how many animals were and how many plants were. And we don't want total here, so let's undo this. Let's change the look and feel of the table to look better. Here we have the number, have to be centered. The total have to be bold, the total to be bold, and the number from here to be bold, bigger. So let's begin. In this cell we click on equal and we want sum. We open a parenthesis and select the cells we want to sum. So we have automatically calculated this number. The same thing in this table, as you can see, the same principle. And now we have different thing. We want here just click on this number and enter. Plants, enter and click on this number, and we have that number. So if we modify in this table anywhere except the totals, we can get the correct number. Let's but before that, let's see another thing. We can use another operators like multiply. If we want to know the double of number of animals from above, we have the number of animals from here, multiply with 2. So we can use for sum or another operators, not just for sum. So let's make some changes to verify how this works. We click finish the number and everything is calculated, like you see here, and here we have the same number. Cats 0 and the total is correct, and down here the same number correct. 0 trees, 0 total, 100 flowers, and down here 100 flowers. Here we have the double of animals, it's correct. 100 double of 15. So this is for today. This is version 6.25. Please subscribe, watch another video, and please like this video. Thanks again.